Hello, today we will guide you through how to transfer data from Xero to QuickBooks. In this walkthrough, we'll prepare your data for the move by placing the file you plan to transfer into Xero's Files area. Think of this as staging your export, so it's easy to locate, review, and share as you proceed with your QuickBooks import process. Begin on the Xero Home dashboard for your organization. If you've just signed in, you should see the main overview with your company name at the top left. Make sure you're in the correct organization before continuing. This avoids mixing files across companies and helps keep your records clean. Next, head to the top left and click the company name. This opens a menu with administrative options specific to your organization. From here, choose Files. The Files section is Xero's built-in storage space where you can keep exported reports, transaction lists, and supporting documents. It's a convenient place to gather everything you need before you start working in QuickBooks. Inside Files, look to the upper right of the screen and select Upload to Files Inbox. The inbox is simply a holding area, like a landing zone for new documents. Uploading here keeps things organized and makes your latest files easy to spot. Your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the data you intend to move. This might be a CSV export of contacts or transactions, spreadsheets for balances, or documentation you want to retain alongside your accounting data. If you're working with CSVs for QuickBooks, double-check that column headers look right and that dates and amounts are formatted consistently. Clear, well-named files make the next steps smoother. Consider simple names like Contacts Export 2026-03-17 CSV rather than vague titles. Select the file, then click Open to Upload. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and once complete, the file will appear in your Files inbox. It's a good idea to open the file from within Xero to confirm it uploaded correctly and that it's the version you expect. If anything looks off, you can remove it and upload a corrected copy. At this point, your data is staged in Xero and easy to access when you're ready to proceed with your QuickBooks workflow. Keep your files concise, verify that you're using the right formats for import, and maintain consistent naming so you can quickly match each file to its purpose. When you move on, you'll reference this uploaded file during your QuickBooks import process, ensuring a cleaner, more reliable transfer.